Airbnb will soon show prices inclusive of all fees in the search result. And I just heard about this article. They just published it, and I want to do a raw and real reaction video as I go through this article and we do this together. Before we do, in case you just found this is the first video you ever watch on my channel, my name is Jorge Contreras and I'm doing multiple seven figures per year on Airbnb, and I've been operating short-term rentals for about 5 years now, since March of 2017. And before we get started, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. With that being said, let's jump right in. So, Airbnb will soon show prices inclusive of all fees in search result. What does that even mean? Brian Chesky said today that the company is refining its search to show the total price inclusive of fees, like the increasingly controversial cleaning fees in the search results. They're going to roll out this feature. So let's see. I've heard you loud and clear. You feel like prices aren't transparent. Okay, so I guess there's been a lot of people saying that the price isn't transparent, meaning they see the per night rate, and let's just say it's $200 a night, and they're going for 4 nights. It should be $800, but then they add the TOT, the transit occupancy tax, the cleaning fees, Airbnb's 14% fee, and all of a sudden it's like $1,400, and you're like, wait a minute. So it looks like there's been a lot of complaints, and people have been voicing their opinion on the lack of transparency. And so now they want to just show you the entire price up front, which honestly, I like that. I think that's better. It's better to show them the full price, and then that's what it is. Then, oh, it's only going to be this much, and all of a sudden it's way over your budget. I mean, I know how it is, right? When you're booking with your friends or family, you want to go stay somewhere at a vacation destination, and you're budgeting, and it's like, oh yeah, it's $200 a night, so if we each pay this much, but then all of a sudden it's almost double the price. So this is good. It says starting next month, you will be able to see the total price you're paying up front. So Brian Chesky replied and said, we are prioritizing total price instead of a nightly price, which is what I just said, in our ranking algorithm. The highest quality homes with the best total price will rank higher in search results. We started as an affordable alternative to hotels. Very true. And we're still way more affordable, right? Like if you book one of my properties where I can host 10 or 12 people, it's like half the price, but 10 times the experience. Better the experience than a hotel. During this difficult economic time, we need to help our host provide great value to you. In June, surveying 1,000 U.S. rental properties on Airbnb said that 34% of listings had a cleaning fee in the 20 to 30% range of the base fee. Airbnb published in May 22, which was asserted that the company transparently displays all fees on the listing, but the post also compromised that Catherine Powell, Airbnb's global head of housing, was assigning a team under the purview to focus on conducting comprehensive review of fees on the service. Honestly, guys, I think, again, I love transparency. Just make it is what it is, right? So I think that's great. The more transparency, the better. I think this is a great move on Airbnb. Guests will appreciate that, because if guests have a certain budget of, say, total of 500 or total of 1,000, wouldn't it be great if they selected a location, dates, the amount of guests, and their total budget, including the fees? I don't know if they're going to do that. I hope they do. But imagine if, right now there's typically a nightly rate, but imagine if there was a total price that you're willing to pay. And so if you're going somewhere for 5 nights and you put, $1,000 or $1,200 max, but that includes the nightly rate, the cleaning, Airbnb's fees, the transient occupant. That would be amazing. I think it would make it a lot easier. I think it would overall increase the amount of bookings that are coming through the Airbnb platform. But what do you guys think? What do you guys think about, Airbnb doing this? That's just my opinion, but I'm just one person out of 7-8 billion people on this planet. What do you think? I'd love to hear what you guys think. Please, guys, comment down below and let me know your thoughts. And before you guys go anywhere, check out one of my other videos here, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Thanks.